Hello, welcome to Goodman Developer Tutorials. For this video series, I will teach you how to develop your own website. This series of video is patterned with test the NC3 vocational training. So if ever you completed this video series about web development tutorial from basic to advanced, you will able to pass in your NC3 certificate. Not only that, I also added a lot of topics that are not on the list of NC3 teaching guides. If ever you are students and IT students or computer science student, ICT students, you will get to know ahead of time what is the web development practice. Okay, let's begin. For this, I listed a lot of topics for this tutorial video series. The first one will be about knowing or what is attributes browsers. You know already what is browsers, but we will be discussing this how the browsers are used for the web development. The cloud server, how the cloud server being used for cloud web development. The code minification, computers, you know already the computer is, but then deeper than that we will discuss it and how the computers are basically able to be used for web development. And a computer terminal, what is computer terminal? CSS or cascading style sheet, how the CSS being used for web development. How the data, what is the data, how the data is being used for web development. Data structures, what is data structures, how the data structures works, and how the data structures being used for website development. Database conceptual model, how do we design conceptual model for database. Documentation, what is documentation for in that term of web development, and also the documentation of object model. The domain name, edit, and entity relationship diagram, also known as ERD for entity relationship diagram. A firewall, what is firewall, how the firewalls affect with our web development. FTP, how do we use FTP for web development, and what is FTP, what is HTTP or HTTPS, what is web developer, and what is full stack web developer, what is HTML and HTML markup, what is HTML tags or tags, what is hyperlinks, what is script and type of script, what is script tags, what is script syntax, what is light TPD, what is modernized model view controller, mood board, what is MVC framework, and what is MVC pattern, what is normalization, what is plugin, what is quality assurance in terms of web development, how do the QA helps web development, what is TDD or test driven development, and what is search engine optimization, also called SEO, what is server-side scripting, what is simulations, what is sitemap, what is software, what is database or database, what is style guide, what is system, what is uptime, what is user experience UI, what is user friendly, what is web analytics, what is web design, what is web programming, What is web service? What is web service API or API? What is REST API or SOAP API? What is websites? What is wireframe? What is W3C? What is platform? What is framework? What is bootstrap? What is CDN or content delivery network? What is IIS? What is domain server? What is email server? Web host. What is web host? How do we use web host for our website or web development? What is data server? How the data server helps website? What is Azure? How the Azure help the website development? AWS, and what is web development languages? What is repo? And what is versioning?